Hey AI enthusiasts, get ready to be blown away by Llama 2, the AI model revolutionizing language processing. Developed by Meta, formerly known as Facebook and Microsoft, Llama 2 is causing waves across the AI world. From chatbot creation to code generation, this incredible AI marvel is transforming language as we know it. So buckle up and stick with us until the end for a mind-blowing journey with Llama 2. But first, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our AI updates. And if you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow AI enthusiasts. Now let's dive into the world of Llama 2. Number 1. Meta's commitment to open and responsible AI. To truly understand the significance of Llama 2, we must first recognize Meta's unwavering commitment to open and responsible AI. As a leading tech company, Meta firmly believes in democratizing AI and making its benefits accessible to all. With Llama 2, they continue to uphold this philosophy by releasing it as a free and open source AI model. This not only empowers developers and researchers worldwide, but also ensures transparency and accountability in AI development. Number 2. Llama 2's predecessor, the deep text model. To appreciate the evolution of Llama 2, we must take a step back in time and examine its predecessor, the deep text model. Meta's journey with language models began in 2015 when they introduced the deep text model designed for various language tasks. Over the years, they continuously refined their models, introducing ones for text classification, translation, conversation, captioning, and speech-to-text. The culmination of their research and advancements led to the birth of Llama in 2021. Number 3. Introducing Llama 2, an upgraded version. While Llama was a groundbreaking achievement, Meta realized the need for further improvement. Armed with valuable user feedback and the desire to address challenges such as high operational costs and accuracy issues, Meta unveiled Llama 2, an upgraded version optimized for Windows. Moreover, Meta's commitment to OpenAI is evident through Llama 2 being available for free, reflecting its dedication to driving AI advancements and fostering innovation across the AI community. Number 4. Llama 2's architecture and models. Let's dive deep into the heart of Llama 2, its intricate architecture and diverse models. Llama 2's foundation lies in two key components: self-attention and transformers. Self-attention empowers the model to understand the relationship between different parts of the input, allowing it to grasp context more effectively. On the other hand, transformers, a neural network structure, introduces creativity and adaptability, making Llama 2 a truly versatile language model. Llama 2 comprises three pre-trained models: Llama 27B, Llama 213B, and Llama 270B, each boasting unique parameters and capabilities, catering to various applications and hardware requirements. Number 5. Llama 2's partnership with tech giants. Llama 2's remarkable potential and versatility did not go unnoticed by major tech giants. Meta's collaboration with industry leaders like Microsoft and Amazon signifies the vast possibilities of Llama 2's integration. Microsoft, for instance, was seemingly integrated Llama 2 into its cloud platform Azure and various services like Bing Chat, unlocking its potential for a wide range of applications. On the other hand, Amazon is planning to harness Llama 2's capabilities on its AWS cloud platform. Such collaborations pave the way for users to access Llama 2's effortlessly and pay only for the resources they utilize. Number 6. Exploring Llama 2's applications. Now comes the exciting part: exploring the plethora of applications for Llama 2. Its versatility makes it an invaluable tool for a multitude of language processing and generation tasks. Developers can harness its power to create highly intelligent chatbots, automatically generate code for various programming languages, effortlessly summarize lengthy texts, facilitate seamless language translation, and provide accurate answers to user queries. Llama 2's adaptability even extends to integration with other AI models, enhancing tasks like computer vision, speech recognition, and sentiment analysis. The possibilities are virtually limitless, and Llama 2 is here to make them a reality. Number 7. Ensuring responsible use of Llama 2. As we marvel at Llama 2's capabilities, we must not overlook the importance of responsible AI use. Meta recognizes the potential risks associated with generative AI, and they've taken numerous measures to ensure the safety and ethical use of Llama 2. Rigorous testing and data filtering mechanisms are implemented to ensure appropriate and responsible responses from the model. Moreover, Meta encourages users to exercise caution and respect when using Llama 2, maintaining transparency and being more mindful of the content generated. Number 8. The future of Llama 2. The future of Llama 2 looks incredibly promising. Meta's version for Llama 2 revolves around empowering developers, scientists, engineers, and AI enthusiasts worldwide to leverage its capabilities for their applications and experiments. To extend its accessibility, Llama 2 will soon be available on devices like Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips, bringing AI into our daily lives like never before. Additionally, Llama 2's open-source nature ensures that developers can explore, modify, and contribute to the model's continuous development, fostering a collaborative AI community. And there you have it, the revolutionary Llama 2, a game-changing AI model that's reshaping how we process language. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth exploration of Llama 2 and gained valuable insights into this incredible technology. If you found this video informative and enlightening, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on AI developments. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI. See you soon.